Welcome to Thena's channel. This is 57 stylish living room ideas, your ultimate guide to creating a space where comfort meets style. The living room is more than just a room, it's where memories are made, guests are welcomed, and your personality shines through in every detail. A stylish living room can transform your home into a sanctuary of elegance and warmth. From modern minimalist designs that embrace clean lines and neutral tones to vibrant spaces filled with bold colors and patterns, these ideas cater to every taste and lifestyle. Imagine a cozy sofa paired with statement lighting that creates a perfect balance between functionality and beauty. Or perhaps a rustic chic layout with earthy textures and soft lighting for a relaxing ambience. Beyond aesthetics, these designs prioritize practicality. Cleverly designed layouts ensure your space feels open and inviting, no matter its size. Storage solutions, like floating shelves or hidden compartments, help maintain a clutter-free environment while adding a touch of sophistication. And let's not forget the power of personal touches. Artwork, greenery, or a favorite rug can turn any living room into a reflection of who you are. Each slide in this video is packed with inspiration to help you reimagine your space and bring your dream living room to life. Whether you're planning a full makeover or simply seeking fresh ideas, this collection has something special for everyone. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, share your favorite design in the comments, and subscribe for more inspiring home ideas. Now, get ready to explore 57 stylish living room ideas. Enjoy the journey.